everyone, today I'll be telling you 5 very important vocabulary words which you're going to add in your daily life, and then you will definitely feel a huge change. So the first word is alive and kicking. What is the meaning of alive and kicking? Alive and kicking का मतलब है हशाश बशाश, बहुत पुरजोश, बिल्कुल पुरजोश. If somebody asks you how are you today, you can say I'm alive and kicking. This means you're feeling super fresh and energetic today. And the next word is stalk. Stalk. So stalk means when somebody, stalking you, finding you, searching about you privately or online. So you can say जब कोई आपका पीछा कर रहा होता है, online आपको search out कर रहा होता है, stalk कर रहा होता है. So you can say that, are you stalking me online? The next one, which is very favorite of mine too, pass the buck, which means कि अपनी जिम्मेदारी किसी और पर डाल देना, to put your responsibilities on somebody else's shoulders. And you can also use this in this way. I will not give you any work because I know you'll pass the buck. कि तुम काम नहीं करोगे, मैं तुम्हें कोई काम नहीं दे सकता because I know कि तुम वो काम किसी और पर डाल दोगे या pass on कर दोगे. And the next word is mulish. Mulish. Mule word खच्चर से निकला है. It's animal. It's an animal, and you guys all know about it. So the meaning of mulish is somebody who is very stubborn, जो बहुत ढीठ और जिद्दी किस्म के लोग होते हैं, उनको हम कह सकते हैं mulish. So it means that you can also use it in this way, that whenever I assign him any task or whenever I give him any duties, he don't do it. He's quite mulish. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़िद्दी और ढीठ है. जब भी मैं उसे कोई काम assign करता हूँ, he don't do it. He's quite mulish. He's very mulish. The next word is timid. It's a precise word instead of saying coward, buzdil या डरपोक की जो है advanced form use कर सकते हैं, and that is timid. Timid, like he was not taking part in politics because he's quite timid. कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुज़दिल और डरपोक है, वो नहीं हिम्मत कर रहा था politics में part लेने की. And the last word is toddler. Toddler is a baby who has just started, walking, or who has learned to walk just now. So you can also use it in the context of, you're practicing your daily life routine and in your experiences. So you can say that I am learning driving, so I'm a toddler in it right now. Or I am learning the computer and I'm learning to master the computer, but right now I'm a toddler in it. So I hope you have learned all these words. Let's just revise them once again, so then you know how to pronounce them, and I will also tell you the meanings of them in a nutshell. Alive and kicking, which means hashash bashash, बहुत active, energetic, और hashash bashash, alive and kicking. So इसको हम बोलते हैं alive and kicking. How are you? कैसे हो तुम? I'm alive and kicking today. I'm super good. I'm energetic. I'm full of beans. Stalk means किसी का छुप कर पीछा करना. Stalk. Are you stalking me online? Are you stalking me on Facebook? Are you trying to stalk me on Instagram? So stalk we can use in this way. Pass the buck. Pass the buck कि अपनी जिम्मेदारी किसी और पे pass on कर देना. You are not interested to take your own responsibility and you're just passing that responsibility on someone else's shoulder. Next word is mulish. We pronounce it mulish. Mulish means somebody who's very stubborn, जो बहुत ढीठ और ज़िद्दी किस्म के लोग होते हैं. Sometimes we can say it, he's getting, बच्चों के लिए भी हम use कर सकते हैं, he's getting mulish right now. ये बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ज़िद्दी हो रहा है और मतलब अपनी बात पे अड़ गया हुआ है. He is not listening to me. He's getting mulish right now. He's very stubborn. Stubborn की जगह हम लोग mulish भी use कर सकते हैं. The next word is timid. He has no guts. He's a timid person. He's very coward. The person who has no courage to do things, we can use that timid word for that specific person. And the next one is toddler. When you are experiencing any new thing, when you are learning any new thing, you can say that I'm a toddler in it. I'm just learning English. I'm a toddler in English. It means that you're just a beginner. You've just started learning that. So I hope you have understood all these 5 important, words to upgrade your vocabulary level, and stay connected with me for more useful content. If you are going to stay connected with me, you will be learning daily. I assure you that you'll be daily learning the very useful vocabulary words, and you'll add them in your daily life. You'll keep on practicing. You'll listen, and then your tongue automatically it comes on your tongue. So practice is the most important thing. I must say, my dear students, practice every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for more.